For our lesson today, we are going to look at the large hexagonal box. If you remember with our small hexagonal box and our triangle box, we are going to be exploring equivalency. So we are going to see if some shapes are equivalent to another shape. So we're gonna take out all of the shapes in our box and we're gonna organize them by their color. Okay. So in our box, we have a large equilateral triangle, that is our base. We have 6 yellow isosceles triangles, and we're gonna match them by their black lines. We have 2 red isosceles triangles. We're going to match by their black lines and create a rhombus. And then we have 2 gray isosceles triangles. We're going to match their black lines and create a parallelogram. So first, we are going to take our equilateral triangle, our base, and we are going to take 3 of our yellow isosceles triangles to make a hexagon. So we're connecting the black lines together and we have a hexagon. So what we are going to try and prove, we are going to try and see if this gray parallelogram is equivalent to 1/3 of our hexagon here. So we are going to see, is this 1/3 of this shape? So we have our hexagon. We are going to replace our base here, the equilateral triangle. We're gonna replace it for our 3 isosceles triangles here. Okay, still have our hexagon. And now I see I have actually 3 rhombi here. I have a rhombus here, a rhombus here, and a rhombus here. These 3 rhombi create our hexagon. 1, 2, 3. I wonder, is this red rhombus equal to the yellow rhombus? Let's see. Yes, they are equal. Okay, so if the red rhombus is equal to the yellow rhombus, and the yellow rhombus is 1/3 of our hexagon, then we also know that the red rhombus is 1/3 of our hexagon. So I wonder, what about our gray parallelogram? what if I move the isosceles triangles so they are connecting on a different side? Now I've created a rhombus from our parallelogram. I wonder if this rhombus is equal to the red rhombus. Oh, it is. Yeah. So this rhombus, which we made from this parallelogram, the rhombus is equal to the red rhombus. That means that the gray parallelogram is equivalent to the red rhombus, and the red rhombus is equal to 1/3 of our hexagon. So that means that the gray parallelogram is equivalent to 1/3 of our hexagon. So for your follow-up, I want you to explore this on your own. I want you to take a big piece of paper and you're gonna trace these shapes that we have made. You're gonna trace the parallelogram in its form like this, and then as a rhombus, and show the equality, and so you're gonna make a chart that's gonna show that the gray parallelogram is equivalent to 1/3 of our hexagon.